How to make a big burger. Ingredients. For the burger patties, 1/3 pound ground beef, salt and pepper to taste, 1 sesame seed bun. For the big burger sauce, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons French dressing, 1 tablespoon sweet pickle relish, 1 teaspoon finely minced white onion, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, 1/8 teaspoon salt. For assembling: shredded lettuce, sliced American cheese, pickle slices, thinly sliced onions, sesame seed bun, 3 pieces. Instructions. Start by making the big burger sauce. In a small bowl, combine mayonnaise, French dressing, sweet pickle relish, minced white onion, white vinegar, and salt. Mix well and set aside. Divide the ground beef into 2 equal portions. Form each portion into a thin patty, slightly larger than the bun. Heat a skillet or grill over medium-high heat. Season the burger patties with salt and pepper. Cook the patties for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until they are cooked to your desired level of doneness. While the patties are cooking, toast the sesame seed bun halves in a separate skillet or on the grill until lightly golden brown. Once the burger patties are cooked, place a slice of American cheese on top of each patty and allow it to melt slightly. To assemble the big burger, spread a layer of the big burger sauce on the bottom half of the toasted bun. Place a small handful of shredded lettuce on top of the sauce. Place one of the burger patties with melted cheese on top of the lettuce. Add a few pickle slices and thinly sliced onions on top of the patty. Place the middle bun on top of the onions and pickles. Repeat the layering process with sauce, lettuce, pickles, onions, and the second burger patty. Finally, place the top bun on the second patty to complete the big burger. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade big burger.